Good morning, guys. I hope you're well. In this video, we're going to run through how to find coins early to LP farm. Now, this is an advanced strategy. It's a high risk strategy, but also high reward. And I would advise actually using a very small amount of money when you do this. I would advise 10 to $20 to actually make a full range position on these pools. And if it works out, it works out. So this is a moon or dust type strategy. Ignore this site. I'm still developing it. It's not public, but it does a very good job at finding the coins early for you. So have a look. We're on Pump Fun. We've either got two options. We look early on Pump Fun, we find a coin that's going to bond, we make a liquidity pool just before it bonds. Or we take a less riskier strategy because it might just dump off and we go to the ones that have just migrated. So with the just migrated ones, we can find some that are 11 minutes old. Let's say this one for example, yeah? 25k volume and it's just bonded. So let's look on Deck Screener. So this one, if you would have made the liquidity pool, you would have been in profit plus a good amount of yield. Your $20 would be $40 plus a good amount of yield because these yield high. So off of 180k volume, you would have accumulated probably triple your amount. You would have 2-3x your money plus your money would have gone up. Obviously easier said than done. Now, what you'll do in this situation, let's go back and let's go on Pump Fun and let's try and find one that is high volume or gonna bond. So this one, I don't know, spiked up. Let's look on Deck Screener because we're all familiar with Deck Screener. So this one, what you would do is you'd buy $10 now, for example. You'd go here, you go to dupe, and then you'll go to Orca and you'll make a full range position. Let's just make one quickly. So you'd come here and then you go create liquidity pool. And with your coin, whatever the address is, you would come here and you'd pair it with USDC or Solana like that. And you'd make a full range position. So you'd use this price full range position because we don't know where it's going to go. And you can either do 1 or 2%. With these coins, you can do 1 or 2%. If you're putting in a small amount, switch adaptive off because it will spike up to 10% fee and it won't get used. If you're putting in like $200-300, you can use adaptive fee. Yeah. But for now, switch it off. You can always remake the pool later. The cost of the pool is going to be about 0.02 Solana, so that's probably $1 or $2. It's not expensive. And once you get that going, you're in a position where if you made this, let's say you made this one early here, what you would do is you'd wait for the yield to come in and you'll take the yield. You'd either sell it, exit, it's up to you. But if you think, okay, I can LP this for a while, you can be in a position where you take the yield and you make a concentrated position. So you'd make another pool and you'd come here. You'd obviously make it, just do it because it will be made. And you can do like a 50% range, 50% range like that, and you'll maximize yield. Don't forget, you got that for free. That's pure profit. But interestingly, these coins, you're the first one. There's no other LP pool. I said that before it even loaded because I know for a fact there isn't. Now, again, the risk is these are high risk plays that can just, we'll try and, I mean, we'll have a look. Like this one is, looks like it's going to bond. Possibly if it does, we can watch and see what it does. But if you go on and you see, okay, just migrated, if we have a look at these coins market caps. So these are the ones that have come through in the last 15, 20 minutes or whatever. This one is market cap is 6k. So if you done that, you would be terrible in a terrible position. This one is, I don't know, it might be a scam or whatever. But look, most of the coins end up at a lower market cap. But full range position, no, this is my friend's coin. Ah, not bad. I think it's his one. Yeah, I think it is. Anyway, so if you have a look at these market caps, they're okay. You have to pick the winners. Look, these ones are doing okay, but 12 hours later, they're the ones that survived. If you were in any of those, this is why I say small amount of money. You can see maybe 50% do okay. This scanner picks up maybe a 50% ratio. Even if it's 30%, you can take $100, put it in 10 coins, and you might come out on top. The winners will pick the losses, but or will protect you from the losses. So look, try it. Go on. My scanner is free. You can use it. This platform will be out later. I built it obviously just for myself to use, but I wish you guys all the best and take care.